In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your YouTube language in a few clicks. This is a quick, beginner-friendly walkthrough that works best on the YouTube website, and it's a great way to make the interface more comfortable in the language you prefer. First, open YouTube in your browser. If you can, sign in to your account. This step is optional, but I recommend it because being signed in helps YouTube remember your language choice across devices and sessions. If you're not signed in, YouTube will still switch languages, but the preference may only be saved in your current browser and could reset if you clear cookies or switch devices. Once you're on YouTube, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture. If you're not signed in, you'll still see a circular avatar icon in that same spot. Clicking it will open a similar menu. This menu includes quick settings and account controls that are specific to your current session. From the menu that appears, click Language. You'll see a list of supported languages for the interface. Take a moment to scroll through and find the one you want. The list is fairly extensive, and each option represents how menus, buttons, and settings will appear throughout the site. When you select your preferred language, YouTube will apply it right away. After you make your choice, the page will refresh automatically with the new language. This is normal and helps the entire interface update in one step. You'll notice the navigation labels, settings, and menu items switch to your chosen language. Keep in mind, this changes the interface language, not the language of the videos themselves. Titles, descriptions, and spoken audio remain as the creator uploaded them. If you need captions or subtitles, those are managed separately within the video player settings. If the page doesn't refresh for some reason, simply reload it manually to apply the change. Picked the wrong language by accident? No worries. Repeat the same steps and choose a different one. If you're signed in, your selection should stick across visits. If you're not seeing the change persist, check that your browser isn't forcing its own translation and make sure no extensions are overriding site languages. That's all there is to it. Open YouTube, sign in if you'd like, click your profile picture, choose language, and select your preference. Your interface will update instantly, and you can switch back anytime. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make YouTube feel just right in the language you use every day.